In this simple video, I'm showing you how to easily blur the background of any image in Canva. This will literally take you 1 minute, and your photos will look like they've been taken with a DSLR. So let's get started. You'll want to add the photo to your Canva design, and then there are 2 ways of doing this. The first one is for Canva Pro users, but stay around because I'll show you how to do this for free. If you are a Canva Pro user, then you'll want to tap on the Edit option right here and locate this Magic Grab option, which is under the Magic Studio section at the left side. Canva will then analyze our photo, and our job is to click on the person or the object which we don't want to be blurred. Canva will then make a selection, and then you'll click on Grab at the left side. As you can see, we had created a cutout. But if you don't have Canva Pro and you need to do this for free, then go over to a website that's called remove.bg, and I'll leave the website link in the description of this video. You'll then want to upload your photo, the website will analyze your photo, and then create a cutout for you. Then download that cutout and upload it to your Canva design. So the second part of this video is the same for both free and Canva Pro users. And the next thing that we'll do is to blur the background. Firstly, make the person a little bit bigger, then tap on your background to select it. Click on Edit once again, and then scroll a bit down until you see the Effects section. And that's where the blur option will be. I will select the effect, then Whole Image right here, and then drag this slider to somewhere between 20 and 40%, whichever works for you. The higher the number, the stronger your blur effect will be. And you can now see how our photo looks like. It has that depth of field effect, and it looks like it was taken with a professional camera. If you found this guide useful, please consider leaving a like, and I will see you soon.